Fort Bend Hightower meets Magnolia West in the nightcap, and Magnolia West comes out firing from long range as Cameron Jones opens the contest with a three. Hightower responds as Taylor Purvis drives into the lane and draws a foul, three-point play, and the Lady Hurricanes lead by 3 at halftime. We move to the fourth now as Kendall May uses a post move on the block for 2 points for the Lady Mustangs. Hightower leads by 3 late in the fourth when Destiny Lombard gets the steal, and she goes coast to coast for the fast break layup, and Hightower moves on with a 37-27 win over Magnolia West. So it will be district rivals Hightower and Manville this afternoon with a trip to state on the line.